trials are research studies involving human volunteers or patients to evaluate medications, vaccines, or medical devices for safety and effectiveness, and they play an essential role in improving patient cancer care and outcomes. It's an established fact that the gains we have made in cancer care are in large part due to the therapeutic advances that have been established by clinical trials over the years. Because different populations can respond differently to therapies, clinical trials that include the specific populations are important. Ensuring people from diverse backgrounds participate in clinical trials is key to advancing health equity. It's imperative that any development of new drugs or interventions from clinical trials are effective for everyone in the general population. This is important because for Black women, breast cancer is the most commonly diagnosed cancer and is now the leading cause of cancer death in this population. Black women continue to experience disparities in breast cancer diagnosis and treatment, leading to increased mortality of more than 40% higher than those of white women. Clinical trials are a vital step, as we know, in bringing forth new treatments for diseases like breast cancer, and Black women are significantly underrepresented in these clinical trials. Black and other racial and ethnic minority groups, underinsured or uninsured individuals, as well as those living in rural areas, often face greater obstacles when it comes to preventing, treating, and surviving cancer, as well as accessing cancer education. For Black women, the reasons for these are multifactorial. They include social, economic, structural factors, communication issues, barriers to access. In addition, there is a higher prevalence of triple-negative breast cancer, which is a subtype of breast cancer that is aggressive by nature. This is found more often in younger Black women and those of African descent. All of this, and in particular, a lack of awareness of clinical trials, misinformation, and barriers to care, which is also compounded by distrust of the medical system due to historical reasons. All of this contributes to underrepresentation of Black women in clinical trials. This disparity can result in poorer outcomes for Black patients and the lack of knowledge of the true drug efficacy in this population when these drugs then go on to be FDA approved for use. We have numerous breast cancer clinical trials open at our institution here at Rutgers Cancer Institute in New Jersey and RWJBarnabas Health System. We are working to connect Black women with these clinical trials. We have a shared mutual mission with the V Foundation to increase diversity in clinical trials, and we were awarded a $50,000 grant from the V Foundation of Cancer Research in partnership with ESPN to increase clinical trial awareness and enrollment of Black women with breast cancer in a mission project that I lead. The efforts in this funded proposal to increase clinical trial participation among Black breast cancer patients is a multi-pronged approach. It includes tailored patient education, advocacy and outreach, patient navigation, and physician engagement and outreach. I think Black women should feel empowered to take every opportunity available to them in their cancer care. Black women diagnosed with breast cancer should participate fully in their treatment options, in particular with regards to clinical trials. They should find out if a clinical trial is viable and the best option for them at any stage of their treatment journey. They should ask questions, including for clinical trial options, and seek second opinions if necessary, so that they are comfortable with their treatment plans. If there are any issues that may pose a barrier for them to receive treatment or participate in a clinical trial, they should inform the team and be reassured that the medical team is dedicated to helping them navigate or resolve those barriers so that they can receive treatment.